Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping materials. Choose a needle and thread that suit your fabrics, then test stitch on scrap to confirm tension. Trim both edges to a clean 1/4 inch and press allowances flat so they lay predictable under the foot. Then install the edge joining foot and align its center guide precisely with the raw edge. Once set, lower the foot and begin slow straight stitching to anchor the two edges together before you increase speed. You now stitch steadily. Set stitch length to between 1, 8 and 2, 5 for consistent feed and minimal puckering. Guide the fabrics gently. Your hands should steer, not pull, so the feed dogs move both layers evenly. If edges are not meeting, adjust the needle position 1 click left or right so the seam butts exactly. This prevents overlap or gaps. Once you have a smooth seam, slow to check alignment, and reinforce with a backstitch. You finish by trimming seam allowances to reduce bulk and press the join either open or to one side depending on the project. For a cleaner or stronger finish, top stitch about 1/8 inch from the seam so the edges sit flat and durable. If you encounter skipped stitches or uneven feeding, stop, rethread bobbin and needle, and run a test stitch on scrap fabric to fine-tune tension. Once corrected, continue slowly and monitor the seam for consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.